Hello dear viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Mizan Techteacher. Today you are going to get a useful video lesson for your social media account creation. Do you want to create social media accounts like Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc, etc? If you want to earn by your social media accounts, if you want to set up your social media accounts professionally and in a modern region, in a modern look, this video lesson is only for you, and you should watch the video lesson from the beginning to the end of this video lesson, and this video lesson will help you to create and set up your social media accounts, and this video lesson will show you how you can earn money, how you can earn dollars by your social media accounts. Social media accounts are not only for posting photos, not only for comments or share. These social media accounts in modern age can give you huge amount of dollars, huge amount of money. So before going to start our main video lesson, I'd like to invite you to subscribe my YouTube channel and keep the bell button on so that you can get all the update video lessons notification at first. So before our main video lesson, I would like to also thank those who have subscribed my YouTube channel. So let's see on the screen. Let's get started. Hello dear viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Mizan Techteacher. I expect that all of you are doing very fine and you are always with this YouTube channel. This is the YouTube channel where you will get the video lesson about freelancing, about how to work on Fiverr or work, how to work as freelancer, how you can be successful as a freelancing career. Today, I will show you how you can be successful in digital marketing. I have already here given some video lessons on this topic of digital marketing. For being successful in digital marketing, you will have to be expert in using your social media accounts. Today, I will show you one of the best social media accounts to use for your digital marketing. You know that Twitter is one of the most popular and vital social media accounts in the world, and some elite class people use this social media account. If you can use this social media account for your business or for your digital marketing, you can easily be successful here. So first, you need to create a Twitter account correctly and properly. You will have to set up it completely and professionally. This video lesson is already given in my YouTube channel. If you go to the digital marketing playlist, you will get that video lesson. Today I will show you how you can increase or how you can grow your Twitter account, or how you can gain Twitter followers easily without any cost or without free of cost. So this is very important. If your Twitter account has very little followers, you cannot be successful here. You will have to increase the followers of your Twitter account, because if you have many followers here, if you tweet anything, you will get a huge amount of engagement here. So you must increase your followers first. That's your very first and foremost duty, to start your digital marketing using Twitter account. Today I will show you that how you can increase your Twitter followers without paying any money, without paying any dollar, without any cost. First, if you have Twitter account, logging it, and I will select a browser. I will use Twitter. I will use Google Chrome, and just search here in Google bar. If your account is login, you will find your account here. If your account is not login, just write here www.twitter.com. I'll just write twitter.com and then enter on your keyboard. if your account is login, you will get this interface, or if your account is not login, you will find here on the right corner login your account. So this is the interface because I have logged in my account, and today I will show you how you can increase your followers, how you can gain your followers without any cost. Every day you can follow some people. Here you can see that if I click on my account, this is my all of my Twitter accounts, and some days ago I have only 50 followers, but within 2 weeks I have gained 354 followers, and this is the tricks I will share with you. And if you can follow these tricks, you will be successful to increase your followers. Here I will show you that. First, you have two tricks. If you follow these two tricks, you will gain a huge amount of followers for using these social media accounts for digital marketing. First, you will search in the right side that who to follow. If you follow the people on your Twitter, the people whom you will follow, they will also follow back you, and that's one of the most important process to increase your Twitter followers. First, you will follow the people and they will also follow back you. So here you can see that there are some people. You can here click on show more. You will find here use Twitter using people here, and you can just follow this. If you want to increase your followers, this is one of the most important techniques, but there is a restriction. You can follow only 20 people or 20 accounts per day. Only you can follow only 20 people or 20 accounts in a day. If you follow more than 20 people in a day, your account can be suspended or your account can be banned. So just click on here in the right side who to follow, and then click on show more. You will just here find what type of business you are doing, and if you think that this account is related to your business or to your brand, just follow him. If you think that this account is not related or suitable for your business, don't follow this account. So here you can see that be kind, follow back, doodle mom, breast cancer survivor. So see you the next web. I can follow this account, just follow this, and then I will also coenter creator para hector gana emagos. Okay, I can also follow this account. If I follow this account, the people will also follow me, interested in the field of information technology. So I can follow these people, information technology. Then I took this name when I realized a journalist had been brutally murdered, and a US president was covering it up. So I can follow these people. If God really existed, it would be necessary to abolish him. So I can follow him. Like this way, you can also follow the people. If you follow 20 people per day, you will get at least 10 followers in a day. If you calculate this, if you get 10 followers in a day, you will get 300 followers in a month. So that's the very good trick to increase your follower. There is another way to increase your Twitter follower. I will show you that. Here you will write here search Twitter. You can write here search Twitter, or you can go to explore. You can write here on search Twitter, or you can go to explore. Here search the name of the people related to your brand. Suppose you are a businessman of shoes, like here write a hashtag, and then here write shoes. Okay, shoes by florist coming, shoes fetish, shoes addict. Okay, I will here click on shoes addict. Here you will find the top most tweeters here, and these are the top most Twitter. Okay, and these are the people who are businessmen of shoes. So you can here go just click on this uh, account and follow him. Then you can here click on this account, and follow him. Then this is another account, two rivers. This is also the businessman, and this is also businessman. This is also businessman of shoes. This is also businessman of shoes. So I can just click on the account and follow him. So in this way you can increase your followers, and if you follow the people, then you can click on latest. Latest means the latest tweets of this kind of businessman. This is the latest tweets of this shoe businessman. There are a huge amount of post Turkey style. Okay, I can follow him. Then this is also okay. You can follow this businessman, and you can also follow. In this way you can increase your follower. After that you can click on people. Here you will find the people who are businessmen of shoes. Okay, just click on follow, then click on follow, and then click on follow. Okay, in this way you can increase the followers of your account. And if you click on photos, you will find some photos of shoes, so you will also be able to follow from here. So these are the follower you can increase your followers in this way, and this is the best tricks to increase your Twitter follower. If you want to increase the followers of your Twitter account, you can follow these tricks. After that you can go back to explore. If you go on explore, here write on this, you can write the people of shoe business, or glass, sunglass. Okay, sunglass. You will find the top sunglass heart, sunglass guard. Okay, you can follow them. Sunglass businessman. So you can follow this guy. Okay, so in these three ways you can follow the people, and they will also follow back you, and that's the most important tricks. That's the most important techniques to increase your Twitter follower. If you can do this every day, your followers must be increased within a month, or within a year. Your followers will be higher than the present situation. So I hope that you understood how I have increased my followers on Twitter, how I have grown my account. Here you will just go back to this notification. Here you will find that the people who have followed you, and the people to whom you have followed them. Okay, here you can see that this guy also follow me, and at first I followed them, and then they followed back me, and that's the process of increasing Twitter follower. And this is one of the most important rules and techniques for increasing your Twitter follower. I expect that you understood and you have got the idea. And if you think that this video lesson was useful and important for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share, and don't forget to like, comment, and share the video links on your Facebook and on your social media accounts. Today I want to finish here, and next time I will also share here another important video lesson for your better understanding and for your freelancing and digital marketing career. If you think that you don't like to miss any video lesson of this YouTube channel, please subscribe and keep the bell button on so that you don't miss any uploaded videos relation of this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks to all my dear viewers.